Welcome to Johnson Auto RV. My name is Craig Johnson. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2018 Forest River Salem 3.1 KQBTS. 3 slides on this one, 36 foot long, 8,535 pounds. This is a little bit bigger of a trailer, but definitely get a little bit more room with a bigger trailer. 3 slide outs. You have a private front walk around bed in the front, private bedroom in the back for the kids, double opposing slides, lots of room, a little bit of privacy for everybody. All right, start right here. Just installed these brand new tires on there. Get down and give you a view of the frame. Frame is in real nice shape, minimal rust, hasn't been towed with a ton. All the aluminum and everything outside here is real good shape. No cracking or peeling of the vinyl graphics. That's all looking real good. Of course, you have an outdoor kitchen as well. Got some cabinetry up top here. Brand new mini fridge and the sink. Then on the back here, you have a outdoor grill that's on a swing arm, pulls out from the RV and connects right underneath there with the gas port. Give you a good shot of the aluminum here. Lots of sleeping options in this trailer. You can bring everybody. Forest River says you can put 11 people. 11 people could sleep in this unit. All right, bring you up front here. Pass-through basement storage underneath the front bed. Of course, on the jack, you have a power jack. 2 30-pound LP tanks under that cover. Power awning with an LED strip along the base there. Outdoor speakers. All right, let's bring you inside. Solid surface countertops in this one. Stainless steel fridge. This is an electric fridge, runs off the battery. Really nice to have, don't gotta worry about that propane. Everything has been inspected, all up and running 100%. Take her and go camping. This doesn't really look like it's been used too much, that burner. This living area slide really does give you a lot of room. All right, let's porcelain toilet, skylight above the tub. And then into the second bedroom. You have 4 bunks in here, quad bunks. Lots of storage in these cabinets back here. Carpet's in real nice shape. If I can get it to focus, there we go. And then as you come forward, same thing with the master bedroom up front. Private door. Walk around queen bed. You have a spot for a TV on this side, spot for a TV here. We will be putting a TV there. Just a really nice, clean, ready to go Salem. Lots of room in this one. Well, that's our 2018 Forest River Salem. Give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about it. We can be reached at 231-750-3045. You got a trade? Let's talk. We can make it happen. You have a great day. Thanks for watching.